Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and the opportunities present in the market and how to recover the losses which were made on the Monday sale off in the gold, which can be easily be viewed. This was the sale off which made on the Monday, our support or our major support, which was considered a major support in range of some around 1858 till 1853, has been broke with a single candle on a 4 hourly chart, and we are currently on a 4 hourly chart. This indicates that the bearish rally which have been made from some around 1961 would continue, as this is a major bearish candle. Now coming on the opportunities, what the market present the opportunities are that we can, when going into the past, we can spot a range in range of some around 1812 till some around 1793, where the market was in choppy mode. This indicates that if the market is retesting this particular area, let me highlight that. In the meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed, so do consider subscribing, as I upload daily and weekly signals and forecasts on the gold for free. Here would be the range. This is a major support zone, and our today opportunities for long and short would be particularly based on this support zone only, which is in range of 1888 till some around 1794. Now first, talking about the fundamental reasons why we had seen this particular bearish momentum breaking this strong support zone which has been made from some around 29 October till some around 19 November. Why we have seen this breakdown is due to the vaccine or the effectiveness of the vaccine of COVID-19 increasing, and the second was due to the Biden policies. Now coming on to the current market situation, we have seen a significant sale off, and coming on the RSI, here you can spot on your screen, we can see that this RSI is trading below 20, which is in range which indicates that the market is oversold, which indicates that we can see a retracement from the market. We can see a retracement for the market upwards, and then we can particularly see a continuation of this downwards movement. Now coming on the markets, do watch the video to the end if you want a perfect analysis, technical and fundamentals. So now coming on the current market situation, these are the support trend line, support zone made in range of 1808 till around 1794. We would be looking for going long opportunities if we saw that the market was able to hold this particular range. According to me, that the market, after retesting this particular range some around 1808 till some around 1794, would once retrace upwards or will once show a bullish momentum upwards. That would be a do and die situation for the market. If the market did hold above this particular support zone, then we can see a continuation of the market upwards and the market going upwards. Now coming on the fundamental news, why I am fundamentally more bullish on the market for the gold, or we would see this particular bullish momentum entering in the market, is due to the fact that the Biden have promised the people of America, when he came in power or he is given the presidentialship, he will give the stimulus packages. Thus, if he announced stimulus packages, according to me, which he will announce on Thursday and Friday, that would be a great opportunity or a signal to go long. However, if the market didn't hold up this particular support zone and we still see a sell off in the market, in a market closing below 1784, that would be a signal that we could see a potential bearish reversal or a potential bearish momentum entering in the market, re-entering in the market. However, according to me, there are less chances of this bearish momentum as in the market, as we have seen a significant sale off. Now, particularly talking about the behavior of the gold, when we did see a significant move which is either bullish or bearish, we also see a opposite correction move. Now, in the case we have seen a significant bearish momentum, due to which I am expecting a bullish momentum entering in the market after testing this particular support zone. So I would be looking for going long opportunities, some around 1803, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1885, with our take profit would be placed some around 1832. This trade will give a next reward of approx 1:1.71. If we hit our stop losses, no need to worry. This would confirm that we would see further bearish momentum in the market. Then we will trigger a short position for the market for the gold, triggering some around 1785. Our entry trigger point would be some around 1785, with our stop losses placed some around 1810, with our take profits some around 1756. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.2. However, again, we are more bullish for the market for the gold, and if you aren't able to study the market, so keep your hands off the market. No need to jump in the market and in a hurry in just order to make money. You will not make money, however, you would definitely lose the money. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching.